Hi there, guys. Welcome to Ernest Reviews, and this is Ernest Felix here. Today, I would like to review about a product, Testorama. Testorama is a completely multi-video tutorial designed to teach anyone to make money online. Testorama is a very simple product. They are giving you these apps for you to test other apps and give a review. You have to talk about it and you have to give a review. And absolutely, there is no need for you to come on a camera. You don't need to have a website. There's no need to host anything. It's pretty simple. I will go directly into the members area and I will show you how it works. And this is the sequence by which we will be going. I'll straight away start off with how the product looks in the members area and how you'll be able to earn money. To put it simply, you can earn money without any problem. I think it's not very difficult to earn money. It's easy compared to so many other products what I've seen. There are a lot of tutorials teaching you how to earn money, and by following that, you'll be able to earn money easily. This is like finding yourself a job. An online job. You can work from home, you can work from your tablet, you can work from your mobile, or you can work with a computer. It is left to you, and you can work from anywhere you want. Only thing I feel is you can't make a lot of money. Like there are so many other ways of making money. You have to make money, and if you really have to make money, you have to work more. Testing the apps. So once you test the apps and give the review to the people who are making the apps, then you start earning money. And the more you do it, the more you get it. And the amount is about $8 to $10. So you can really know how much you have to work. You have to keep working to earn that $10 over and over again. So this is what Testorama is about. It is easy to earn money, but then you'll have to work. Okay, and I would recommend this product more to students who want to make extra money, and also to housewives who would like to earn extra income other than what they are presently doing. Improve their lifestyle. These are the things they can do by using this product Testorama. Right, now let's get into the members area. After the members area, I will also talk to you about my bonuses, the vendor bonuses and my bonuses. If you click the link just below the video and buy Testorama from me. These are good bonuses. So that is an extra incentive what you will get from me if you buy it from me. So let's get into the members area. Yeah, guys, now we are here in the members area, and these are the three partners, Solek, George and Kieron, who made this Testorama for you to earn money. So now you start here. This is the welcome, and you can see, I'll just play a little video.
Okay, so hi guys, Sulek here from
I'll
Sulex
play this
Marketing,
video for a
and first
little
and
while.
foremost, give yourself a pat on your back because you have made one of the best decisions of your life, genuinely. So this is Testorama, which you have actually purchased.
And there's a welcome from Sulek and Kieron as well as George. Then we have the important info. So this is the register for our new members, the webinar you'll be going through, and how to earn 5,000 a month free bonuses also you get. And these are the websites from where you'll be making this $8 to $10. So here there's a overview. Make $10 in 10 minutes. Is it possible? Yes, I think it is possible. Okay, it may not be in 10 minutes, but then earning $10 is possible soon compared to so many other make money online where you have to do a lot of preparations Here I feel you will be able to earn money much quicker than the other apps. So this is one thing I feel will be okay, but then you will not be able to make a lot of money. You will, if you have to make a lot of money, you will have to work that much. Then there's also simple tricks they show how to make money in the simple tricks. This is tips more than tricks. This is tips, and then you have the first website where you can make money, and also the second website where you can make money with the overview and also the tips for this also. And these two things I went through by playing this video.
Okay, so
You
hi
play the
guys,
video.
Philip here. And so this will
Whereas
actually be the
if you
second
see
website that I'll be
website
mentioning
3
to
and
you
4,
on
I was
the
not able to go
front
through
end
it
itself.
because this
And
is
so there are
not only for buyers, not for even we can't have the free review for these areas. So probably it's a very good website. That's why they are not shown this. This is blocked. Even the fourth one also is blocked. It's only for the members who purchase this. Then you also have the pro version. Then you have some magic tools. All these things I can't review myself because it's all in the sales area. And the reseller rights, the profit packs, the bonuses. So you get the bonuses. I'll talk about the bonuses to you when we come to my sales page. Magic tool bonus, pro bonus, bonus front end, all these things are extra incentives. That is really not important. What is important is your website 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you have the upgrades, then users and support. So these are the things what you get when you go for Testorama. And what I would assure you is you will make money. It's not that you will not make money, you'll be a failure. You'll make money. Even if it is not to a very great extent, you'll be able to make money out of this Testorama. So with this, let's go to the next sales page and also my bonus pages. Yeah, friends, now we are jumping into my page, Earnestly Awesome Bonuses. So, Earnestly Awesome Bonuses, one of the awesome bonuses that you'll be getting once you click the link below this video and buy it from me is bonus number one. It will be the Google Display Network hacks. I will not read all these things. You can go through it yourself. These are all very good bonuses. And you also have your content marketing guide. Bonus number three is blogging advice for beginners. You can learn the proven strategies to generating premium blog traffics for free. And you'll also get the killer blogging conversion tips. You can learn the secrets to increase your blog's conversions with these proven tips. And you also get the 4 vendor bonuses. This you will get it in the members area itself. 6 minutes profit, 6-figure super affiliate trading, backlink warrior, and 15-minute live chat with us. That is, you'll be talking to those 3 creators. 15 minutes, whatever questions you have, you can always ask them. So that is what is your fourth one is all about. So you can click here and claim the bonus before this hits 0. After that, you will not be able to get the bonus. So please hurry up and take the earnestly awesome bonuses. You can read this for yourself, see how we made the $10 in 10 minutes, 10 minutes by using a simple internet connection. So Testorama will show you step by step how to make daily commissions with websites. Testing, website testings, and also have an additional income stream in these tough times. Okay, what are the prices? The price in upsells. Front end itself will give you your $10 income without any issues. So you can buy the front end for $11.95 and you get back $10 immediately with your first testing of your website. OTO 1 is Testorama Pro version, which is $19.95. You'll be able to earn 2x the amount what you'll be earning with Testorama. Once you're confident that Testorama is working for you, then you can go for OTO 1. OTO 2 is the marketing magic tools. Then you have this OTO 3. This is a reseller rights. You can sell Testorama and keep 100% of the profit for yourself. OTO 4 is profit pack, and OTO 5 is the elite mastery. The explanation is here, and here are the some key benefits you'll be interested in getting. 100% beginner friendly, can earn money in just a few minutes, easily done from computer or phone, no making videos, no technical knowledge required, works amazingly for anyone and any age. Can be in your pajamas, drinking coffee, and you can still earn money. That shows that you can work from anywhere you want, and real proof this works. And you also get the money back guarantee. If you feel that this is not working, you can get the money back. If you're going to earn $10 within the first hour or maybe the first day, I don't think you'll ever go for your money back clean. So this is what is Testorama all about. Click the link below and claim your honestly awesome bonuses. A quick look into the bonuses, vendor bonuses. 6 minutes profits. See how a full-time teacher makes 5 figure a month, spending only a few minutes a day. And you can do this too by following these easy steps. Bonus 2, a 6 figure super affiliate training, a complete easy to follow multi-video training program. Bonus number 3, Black Link Warrior. This is a 2-for-1 system to get your earning money while growing your email list at the same time. This product shows you how to create and sell ebooks and create opt-in pages to collect a mailing list. Bonus number 4, I've already told you about the 15 minutes chat with the producers. So that's all, my friends. I'm concluding over here. This is a short earning. You can earn this income of $10, and how much you're going to earn is in your hands. So you can take a call and buy it and you make money. I hope you like my review. If you like my review, please subscribe to my channel and also like and share my channel with all your friends. Thanks a lot. This is Ernest Felix signing off. See you soon. Bye.